helping a user who wanted to return a value based on two keys together. They did provide their own sheet. Let's go take a look. So here's the user sheet that they provided. They have a barcode listed in column A and a setting ID in column D. That's where this is kind of tricky. What they want is a stock returned from the actual data sheet. Right now what they're doing is they've actually specified to only do A2 through D10, which is the first 9 setting IDs. So if I come and look here, A2 through D10 is just those barcodes, that setting ID, right? And then they were actually going to use another one for this set of setting IDs, another one for this set of setting IDs. Very inefficient and really not automatable, because it means they have to specify where each formula starts and ends. Not the way we want to be handling this. But we can use both the barcode and the setting ID together in order to do this all at once. So here's the formula that they provided. I'm just leaving that there for reference. I'm going to go ahead and make a new one using XLOOKUP, because that allows us to look in one column or one range and return something in a completely different range. They don't have to be adjacent. We don't have to specify them together. It works very nicely. So I'm going to say XLOOKUP. My search key is going to be a combination of A2 and D2. Then my lookup range is going to be all of column A and all of column D from the actual data sheet. My result range is going to be all of column B from actual data. Now I don't need any of these optionals, so I'll just leave those out. It is going to error right now because it's going to say array arguments to XLOOKUP are of different size. Basically, the way we're handling this right now is not how XLOOKUP was designed to be used. But hey, if we just wrap it in array formula, it works. Look at that. Now, since we're already using array formula, which was necessary to do this, that's why the array formula was necessary, because we're combining two ranges together inside of the formula. That's why that was necessary here. Okay, since I'm already using array formula, I'm just going to go ahead and say to do the XLOOKUP on A2 through A and D2 through D, and that's actually going to return all of the stock numbers all the way down. So what this is doing at each row is it's combining the value from A and the value from D into a single key. That single key looks like this. So instead of 88991 and 12345, it's actually looking for 899112345, and it's looking for that in the constructed array A and D. It finds it here, it returns the value here. So it works great. It's actually really easy here in Google Sheets to return a single value from a lookup using two keys combined together.